Well guys, here just another update to keep you in the loop as to what has been ongoing. So, haven't got the latest video uploaded. Basically, I'm waiting on a few parts arriving to finish the build. I need a headlight bracket because the one that is at the very top was broke. You'll see that when the video does drop. And I also need a wing bracket because obviously where the car was hit on the side, the bracket that holds your wing to the chassis has been bent. It probably is able to be fixed because it's aluminium, but it's very hard to get the wing aligned where you need it. So I'm waiting on them bits coming. I'm hoping a couple of days they will be here, and then that'll allow me to get the bumper on. In between that, obviously I have a bonnet sitting ready to go, which I'm not going to show you yet because I suppose going by my Instagram post, everybody, well, the majority of people decided that a sportier M140i would be the way to go, and who am I to disagree with you guys? That's my thinking too. Let me just flip the camera around here. So that's the old bumper of a new bumper sitting here. I'm not going to show that either, but I need to take the wiring loom out a lot, as you can see, for the parking sensors, and I can't get that fitted to the new bumper because if you actually look, it attaches in to the grille. So if you actually look here, sorry, it attaches into the grille along the back of it, and I don't want to have to put the new ones on and then remove them in case I break any clips, obviously, because the body shop's going to have to paint that. I'm not going to paint it, you know, quickly. Headlights are in. The bonnet, as you can see, is damaged, so it's not obviously going to line up. I need to get my new bonnet put on, have the wing replaced, but it needs a bracket in here to fix it properly. And this side here was missing a headlight bracket. This is where this attaches into back here, so it'll hold the headlight up in place. Of the rest of the front end, new crash panel put on, but one part I am waiting on. Let me find it. It's lying here somewhere. Yes, here. So this wee silly piece here obviously was broke down there. Now that's a bumper reinforcement bracket, and I could find them on eBay, but obviously with us being in Northern Ireland, they will not ship to me. So I'm going to phone around a few places tomorrow. BMW can get me one by Tuesday, so if I can't find one, I'll have to order from BMW. So that is really where we stand with the car. If everything comes, a day, well, a few hours, I'll have it put together, then I can get it to the body shop and get it sprayed. At that point, get a fresh MOT on it, and the car should be good to go. But life throws you lemons, so you make lemonade. But as I said, I just wanted to give you a quick update. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and as always, like and subscribe because it helps me grow basically, and it helps keep me motivated because of people showing interest. It helps keep me interested. Although I do, to be fair, I love doing what I'm doing here. It's quite enjoyable learning how to work on these things. So yeah, that's really it. Over and out.